Hey, look at that. I think I am currently live now on the YouTubes. Okay. Um, nice. Okay. So I've been trying to do live streaming more often on with research specifically. And I was trying it on Twitch, but I'm realizing that I did it for a couple reasons. I thought Twitch's reach was a little bit better and whatnot, but then I was having this moment of realization where I was realizing that I've been gaining followers on the YouTube without really posting, and for I'm not really gaming on streams as much, so whatever. We're gonna do research here. So, what are we doing? Um, First off, I am going to grab a link and post it up on the gram um, really quick. So if I go here, my channel, live. Oh, that's funny. It's showing it has the thumbnail for Belize. Share, copy link. Okay. Hey, I am right now live on YouTube doing my research. If you want to see some stuff about regionalization of the world's turtles and how we can do ancestral state reconstruction using some fancy RStudio tricks, tune in at the link. Wow, that sounded professional. That sounded kind of professional. I liked that. Live on YouTube doing my research. If you want to see some stuff about regionalization of the world's turtles and how we can do ancestral state reconstruction. Okay, captions. Cool beans. Do ancestral state reconstruction using some fancy RStudio tricks. Now. Cool. Okay, so also I am using the, I'm going to open it up in another browser, the stream itself, because I don't know. I'm using OBS's built-in stuff right now. Using some fancy RStudio tricks. Now. And I just need to. Cool. Okay, so also I just want to make sure that the chat is there. So I'm going to open it up. Mute this though. It looks good though. I'm happy with that. You can actually read what's on the screen. But yeah, so let's get into what's actually going on here and what we're trying to do. So let's not start with the code. So I've been working on this side project. Where we're basically a big part of my research is using this methodology called ancestral state reconstruction. Wow, sorry, I'm jumping ahead. My mind is all over the place, making some coffee. So a big part of my research is using a methodology called phylogenetic regionalization. Basically what it means is that we're going to infer regions around the world using whatever taxa we want that have a shared evolutionary history. Basically saying like, hey, we're going to find a region over here that is very unique. It has a unique evolutionary history. It has unique organisms in there. They represent distinct lineages compared to other areas, so it's a region. And to learn more about this, I wanted to do a phylogenetic regionalization on a more contemporary regionalization. Luckily, there was a BioRegionalization paper already done. So, did that open up in Chrome? No. So, that doesn't really zoom in. Whatever. Probably gotta open it as a page. Yeah, there we go. So, basically, they divided up the world into these 67 regions based on a wide variety of things, right? Characteristics such as... the ranges of turtles, geography, etc., etc. I need to read it a little bit closer, but, but yeah, so it was good because I knew their methodology, I knew what to do, and I knew how to make it into this other methodology that I'm using. And I did get results. So these are my phylogenetic regionalizations, and they do differ. Notably, there's a lot fewer regions. They don't tend to divide out near as much. Particularly when you see like Australia is basically one region. It's technically has some parts of this. I'm pretty sure that's Papua New Guinea island up here. Whereas in this case, it's like 7 or 8 different regions. Um, but the thing is, this is based on a whole different methodology. So whatever. This is the Phylo regions that I have. I'm thinking about it a little bit, and let me look into something really quick. So if we do branch negative numbers, okay. I'm just forgetting a function. I'm actually not entirely sure. I need to double check that this program is actually reading in the branch lengths. Hold on. Let's just see. Phylo raw. Node label edge dot length. Okay, so it has the edge lengths. Wait. Wow. Phylo. Huh. Let's just run this really quick. I'm just having I might have. Okay, no. I might just be having a moment. I'm doubting myself a little bit. So, edge lengths. Edge. Yeah. I know I can pull out the branch lengths with edge length. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'm good. Oh, hey, what's up? So this is a big part of my research. Really, right now, I'm needing to go through a massive data set and compute some stuff up. Basically, I have these regions that I created based off of the world's turtles. So these represent distinct areas of evolutionary history. Like India is one area, Australia is another area. And they're all separate from each other. There's 30 of them right now. And what I want to do is, for example, if we look at like just the Western Hemisphere, what I want to do is this method called Ancestral State Reconstruction that will basically just take each of these regions and then try to reconstruct the history of the organisms that were found here. Saying like only 26, or like 26 is just found in words. Like the common ancestor to 26, 25, and 24 was found in northern, like northern South America, basically, to kind of like simplify it down a bunch. So that's basically what's going on here. But I'm just needing to. What I'm needing to do is make a list of the species and which regions they currently belong in so that it can then reconstruct it. And that's what I'm trying to do in R right now on this post hoc tab. So I think I have it mostly there. It's just adding in the filters because I don't, unless this does work. I worked on it this morning a decent amount, but I don't think I really got it to work great. There were some issues with it. Yeah, that's right. There was an error that I was having. So if I go into Keenestern, so these should be just the regions that are like these are the different regions that I want. It's like 10, 21, 24, 10, 21, 24. Yeah, it's a fun one. I was like, I'm not sure how much information I can give on this, or should give. I don't know. Like, I don't know how much you know about this methodology, so it's always difficult. Like, I never know how to judge what people know about this particular sect grouping of EvoBio stuff. Yeah, but for some reason my filter is not working. And I'm actually not really sure why. Oh, you know what? Maybe filter needs to be a character. Maybe that's what's going on here. I don't know if it'll auto-convert it. I think it will, but... the thing is, I noticed that it was, like, excluding a lot of species that should not be excluded. Like, it's saying, like... of course, it's omitting the rows. I wanted to check really quick. But things like a lot of the Keenesternans, like Keenesternin leucostomum was excluded, in Integrum. Like these are ones that are here. All the Keenesternans should be popping off as in a region. So I'm just very confused about where it's not working. So if we do it in... At least I think it's messing up in the filter portion. I'm not 100%. Get there, we get that, we get that. From one through links and present. Cluster. Wait. Is filter even in here? Did I even add filter into this? Or did I mess up and add it somewhere else? Oh god, I don't think I put the filter in properly. Grids. Oh no, here we go. Filter in filter. There we go. That's what it should be doing. So if I exclude this one for right now, will Keenesternin be in there? It looks like everything is in there. But is Keenesternin... Yeah, here we go. Leucostomum is in 10, 21, 24, 27, and 28. Yeah. So we gotta go to 181. Let's see here. 181. Yeah, so it's just not filling it out when I add in the filter. So it is messing up the filter. Okay. So at this stage, Hydrophilo is being filtered. Hydrophilo is a data set that contains a row of grids and which of the clusters they belong to. So this major data set was originally divided up into like 9,000 different grids. Each one of them is something called a hydrobasin unit. Okay, so it's filtering that so that it's only showing a particular grid that are in a subset. So it goes through every species and it says, hey, this species is in what of these grid cells? Cool, grab these grid cells, filter it out so that that data set only has the grid cells that it belongs in. Pull out just the clusters that it's in, get the unique value of those. I think it's taking the index number of the filters instead of the number of the cluster. I bet if I just do this, it'll work. I'm fairly certain. I know there's an easier way to do this, but I'm just lazy. Okay. So let's add the filter back in. It could also be the dot, and maybe I'm just not really understanding how to use the dot notation in a tidyverse pipeline. But let's check this now. No, still excluding them. So maybe it's the dot. Okay, let's do some Googling really quickly. Dot notation in tidy pipeline. Because I thought I understood it to be the thing from the last thing. So like if you put it here, it's taking the output from this. Like if you put it within ungroup, it's taking it from here. So oh my god, no, I just need to write cluster. Oh, I'm just dumb. I think that'll work. Let me just double check. Nope, wrong thing. Okay, well that thing's just all messed up. Okay. I could also put this unique. Nah. Okay, let's now run this. Ooh, yes, there we go. I think that worked. That looks like it worked. Do I got all my leucostomums? Or my kinosternans? I do. There we go. Cool. Wait. Yes, okay. And so basically each of these letters right here, these are the states that species is in. States being regions. So for example, this one is in the regions J1, B2, C2, and D2. I had to add these 2s to it just for right now. There's some issues I need to solve pretty badly, so. Okay, but yes, okay, yes. So then, now that I have all of these, I need to filter out the species not found there. And then the problem, okay, so this is the problem of why I'm having to do all this. So this is the RASP, and in order to input the state, it needs to just be, the states just need to be like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, up to 0. So it can only fit 15 at a time, right? And if, say, they exist in states A and B, you just list that as A, B. So what I needed to do was to make the states like A1 underscore, B1 underscore, but now I'm realizing like A1, B1, C1, D1. I'm realizing I don't know if that'll actually work out. Like, I don't know what... Oh, gosh. I'm just now realizing I don't know if states... Hold on. Like, will that be understood? So if I just do that, like I'm just testing, running it on this little group really quick. I think I can do this. Reconstruction, model test, no on trees, SDiva. State of taxon 1 should be letters. Yep. Shit. So I can only do like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H-I-J-K, L-M-N-O. That makes things so annoying. Okay, well. Okay, so we're going to make this function highly specialized for RASP. Taxes state RASP. Cool. So filter, this filter is to convert your region names to A through O, maximum of 15 can be provided. Okay. So, am I missing something here? spot. Okie dokes. So then, okay, if filter, if length filter greater than 15, print too many regions for RASP. RASP only allows regions denoted A through O. Cool. Just so that it says that. Oh, I should probably just say print. Oopsies. Print. Boom. Okay. So I'm not even gonna do this. Oh right, it gives you some errors though, is the issue. Okay. So first things first, I think I want to take out the grids. Okay, no. First things first is that we got to take presab. No. We want to filter out grids that are only in the sections that we provided. Therefore, we want to go to Hydrophilo, and then, okay, so if we just do Hydrophilo, cluster, Jesus Christ, filter out where cluster is in filter. Okay, omitted 33. Okay, cool, so that worked. So that gives us just the ones that are in there. Cool. And Hydrophilo filt. And then, although I guess I could just do that. See, the thing is I just don't want to do it like, basically just don't filter it out like 75 times. That's what I'm going, that's what I'm thinking about right now. But I think that'll do that. Cool. And so it adds it to states. It makes something called states. Where does it add the states to it though? States is a vector. Okay. So then we grab the taxa, we subset the presence absence for the taxa, we get the names of these rows, these are the taxa grids. Hydrophilo, we have the filtered one, we get the grids that just that species is found in, we get their clusters, we find the unique ones, we filter the clusters that are not in the filter. I don't think that's needed anymore. We arrange the clusters by their cluster order, and then we add to the variable taxaclust. Then I need to add in mutate state is equal to letters, the column letters, which is a variable letters, that is one through the length of this. Okay. Hydrophilo filt. Okay, because now it's there. then if we look at taxaclust, didn't work. It just didn't work. Let me see here. Object, let me just do, well, no, I don't even know how to do this. So let's just, if we run that, we don't get anything. Okay. Let's, wait, that's just not working. Hydrophilo filled. It's got the observations. They're looking good. Filter by the grids in taxa grids. Yeah, where is this failing? Is it really failing right there? Filter by grids in taxa underscore grids. We're getting taxa underscore grids. Oh, it might not be, hold on. This might actually be my fault. I'm just gonna try running the function and seeing. It might be the fact that I have like a bad index. Like it's an index that's already been filtered out. So taxaclust. This might be fine if I just make this equal to taxaclust state. I think that's gonna work. Let's see here. State letter. So now I'm going to there. That's not what I want it to do at all. Because this state in taxaclust. Here, let's change up I. I need to change up I to something that I know is here. Let's do it 183. Okay, I is equal to 183. Let's say that our I is at 183 at the moment. So then we go, oh no, this goes through every preset. Okay, here we go. Taxa. Now we filter it out. What does taxaclust look like? Oh, it looks right. What's going on? A. Wait. No. That's not right. Let's see what it's like in here. Let's change this to n row. Maybe that'll help. Maybe that was the issue. Yeah, there we go. Now it's working. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's exactly what I want to see. So then, is it okay? No, I do need to do paste 0. Taxaclust. Okay, here we go. I think this should work now. The issue was that it wasn't. How do I put this? There was a lot of issues actually. I messed it up really badly. But this should give me something that looks like, no, why is it still putting this there? Why is it doing this? Okay, well, I don't need this at all anymore. I did rerun that. Oh my god, it's literally a different function. Holy shit. There we go. Okay, collapse, and this one actually needs, no. none, and then, oh, let's filter out the out. So out is equal to out, which, oh god, what is it? It's, is dot na out state. Like if I do it like that, we'll get a lot of falses. Okay. Out dot state is equal to blank. Is that a blank in this case? True, but not that many. These aren't your states. Most of these should not be out. Return. Oh my god, what am I doing? There we go. What is going on here? Out. Boom. Okay, now is it gonna fucking... Okay, there we go. Jesus. Okay. Out is equal to... out, where we're gonna get the rows that equal that blank. I think I need to do the opposite of that. Yeah. I needed to do not equal. So whatever, that'll work. Okay, now let's run this, double check it all. Hey, there we go. Now we have just the species. Do I got all the keynotes? Yes, I do got all the keynotes. Cool. What is it? So 20, wait. No, that's a fucking error. God damn it. Look at this. 25, 26 is AB. 29 and 30 is AB. God damn it. Is it because I'm doing the filtering with the... it's the mutate column here. That's fucking it up. What I need to do is not do this by each individual species, but instead make it where the filters... okay, here we go. So, df is equal to data.frame, where the state is equal to filter, I think? Cool. No. Wow. Okay, data frame state is equal to I think I could just do Hydrophilo filt unique clusters. Yes. Okay, is equal to state is equal to Hydrophilo filt unique Hydrophilo filt clusters. And then we will have letter is equal to letters through 1 through length of unique Hydrophilo filt. Maybe it's end row. I think it's end row. End row. Then close it all off, and then we got some unexpected stuff. Argument of length 0. Maybe it is. It is length. And then now we have a little data set. Okay, cool. So then we got that. And so then arrange state is equal to df, in which, oh no, shit, how is this gonna work? So now, god damn it, this is like oddly frustrating, and I'm not sure why this is so crazy to do. Like, this shouldn't be that difficult. I haven't had this much issue on a piece of code before. So we're arranging it by cluster, and then apply over taxaclust per row. Wait, no, because now taxaclust has. No, that's not going to work. God damn it. So you have the cluster and the state that it's in. No, you just have the cluster at this point. You just have a cluster. And then you need to add a state. So then the cluster is going to look at each fucking thing. Okay. No, because right now it's just saying the cluster. The state needs to be a merge. I just need to merge it. Merge taxaclust with df. By.x is equal to cluster. By.y is equal to state. All.x is equal to true. Object cluster not found. Oh. Rows, okay. That should work. Oh, well, taxaclust doesn't have anything in it, so if I do boom. So now, god damn it, taxaclust, come on. You're really saying that you have nothing now. You're really saying you got nothing. Even in all of these grid cells. And what taxa? Oh, well, that's y. What the fuck? I is equal to 183. So then, there we go. Okay, so now taxaclust. Now they're merged. No. All of x. Wait, maybe I want all that. Oh, okay, no. This is good. And then, yes, so then this can be taxaclust. And then cluster, let's actually call this letter. I think this is gonna work now. I think this is what I needed. Argument 5 matches multiple formal arguments. Oh. Oopsies. Deleted an X. Ugh, don't we all wish we could do that? Ayo. And then C is 24, B is 21. There we go, baby. And that is another completed script. So, cool. So now if you give this a few things, I would really want to simplify this a bunch and make it a much better input. But this was oddly complex to get it into this format. there's definitely better ways of doing it. I just don't know why I was struggling with this one so much. I think it was one of those I got down a path. But now I can say rasp western hemi, and then write.csv. Cool. Done there, done there. Okay. So, write.csv, rasp, western hemi, files equal to outputs, rasp, western, rasp, western hemi.csv. Okay. File, load states distributions, like little turtles, outputs, rasp western hemi. Please check your state before analysis. Okay. And species names are different in this one. So rasp western hemi, boom, taxa is equal to g sub, boom with boom in rasp western hemi, taxa, boom, and now file load states, rasp western hemi. Why did that not work? I need to also double check what format it wants this shit in. Let's see here now. Google Drive, my Drive. OneDrive, Jesus Christ, why am I just so dumb? Research, FederationSTSU, nope. Flag Global Turtles, outputs, and then finally rasp western hemi. Something messed up? Oh god, yeah, taxa is terribly messed up. What did I do? Am I dumb? Don't answer that. Oh. What? That shouldn't happen. What? What? Why is it replacing all of it? Oh, wait. What? Dude. ¿Qué pasó? What's going on here? What? What? You know what I could do? I could just, no, because then I gotta remake Hydrophilo. Oh, and that's all sorts of fucky. Okay. What? I think it's taking all characters as a thing. Okay, wait. G sub period is not replacing. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Two, okay, that's all it is, just 2 forward slashes. Easy enough. Okay. Done. Then yeah, okay, cool. Now, permission denied, bitch. Okay, shit. I get you. Okay. Now I can maybe load it. Okay. Load states, distributions, rasp western hemi. Please check your state before analysis. Don't tell me what to do. Why are you still not working? Should be popping up into you know what? I probably do need to filter out my my tree, I think. So okay, and then what we need to do is make a list. Or no. So we take Phylo raw and then we filter it. We filter where tip dot label is in rasp western hemi taxa. But now I need to. I think this is what I just need to do. I think filter works on Phylo objects. Okay, no, it does not. Okay, we'll just do it the old school way. In which Phylo raw tip dot label is in that. And then, did I add an extra one? I did add an extra one. Okay, incorrect number of dimensions. Oh, it's just drop tips. I think it keeps all the tips. Wait. Maybe it is just keep tips. Basically, I'm trying to subset the phylogenetic tree right now. Keep.tips were Phylo raw, and the tips are rasp western hemi taxa. Error unmatched tip labels. What? But wasn't that in Phylo raw? Oh wait, why does Phylo raw have... Oh. That's weird. Fucking, really fucking weird. What? Can you just start an acutum? Is it in there? What? I think it should just do it anyways. Let me just re-look at the documentation for keep.tip. Okay, so Phylo raw tip labels in rasp western hemi taxa. Can I just subset like this? Subset like this. Can I just subset like that? No, I can't. Okay. I was like, does that work? Oh shit. Okay. Actually, but I am in a very good thing. So wait a second. Okay, wait a second. Phylo raw tip labels in taxa, filter by true. I don't know if that'll work. Yeah, filter by dot equals true. Or wait, isn't there like an is? Oh, no, I just want to see if you could filter by is something true or not. But it doesn't look like it. How interesting. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get these that are in there. Just keep the true ones. Get the index numbers. I don't need to do it like this. I think that's my issue. Hold on. Tip num is equal to the taxa. Okay. And then from tip num, we do tip num is equal to tip num true. Incorrect number of dimensions. I just want to get only the true ones. Subset tip num where tip num is equal to true. There's probably a better way of doing that. Cool. And then tip num is equal to, oh wait, is that the tip numbers now? Hold on, maybe I can just get the names of tip num. Is it, no, it's not that though. Okay, so we don't want a subset yet. But then we want to oh, wait. I'm also forgetting that Phylo raw, the tip number. No, that's all fine. Okay. Mutate where ID is equal to n. Object of class of logical. Bitch! What are you talking about? Okay. And then tip num. Right, that'll work. Why? Are you not? Okay, as dot data dot frame. There we go. So now I can mutate it to include an ID on tip num, and then you bitch. Okay, 1 through n. Okay, now we got the ID. I'm assuming it's in the correct order. This is going to be interesting. And then I need to as.DataFrame logic. Will that work? Okay, mutate. And then we add in a filter for where okay, so these are the ones. Oh, come on. It dropped everything? No, I want to keep the tips that are those. What? Unless tip num... Oh. Tip num ID. And there we go. Western Hemisphere. Boom. Oh no, it should be Phylo Western Hemisphere. Hold on. 316. Oh no, there we go. Tip labels. Tip labels 159. Yeah, so there are a couple that aren't lining up, which is no big deal. I just need to redo all that. I just need to make sure the names are lined up properly. But, okay. And then right dot tree is equal to Phylo Western Hemi. File is equal to outputs Western Hemi Phylo.tray. Cool. All balance. Okay, so now we go back into RASP. We file. We load a tree, I guess. We can do it like this. Western Phylo tree. Why did I do it like this? Hold on. Save, export trees. Close current data. Okay, file. Load trees. Western Hemi Phylo tree. So these are all the Western Hemisphere turtles. Then file, load states, and then RASP Western Hemi. What the fuck now? You can't find these? Oh my god. You really can't find them. What? It's in taxa. It probably just needs a very specific format. Let's check name. File, load states. Really? I gotta close it every time. Load states, RASP Western Hemi. Boom! But what? What is it doing here? Oh god, is it not understanding that, like, it has a separator, doesn't it? Did I include a separator in this? I don't think I did. RASP Western Hemi. Ugh, I'm just gonna have to do this. Unless... Oh god, why did they do this? Why did Excel fuck up everything? Insert cut cells. Save. Now let's do it. File. Load states. RASP Western Hemi. There we go. State. Okay. Why are some of these species missing states? They should not be missing states. Yep, looks like there's just a couple species still messed up on here. Let's see. Trichamus taylori. Is this in Baja? Or where is this? We're just going to fill them in for the... It's endemic to northeastern Mexico. So let's see. Northeastern Mexico. So he'd be in 25. Let's see what number 25 is. Okay, 25 is D. Let's see. Yeah, there's really not too many in here. Okay, Trionyx, Triangulus. Wait, is that what I'm thinking it is? African softshell. Why the fuck are you in here? What? What? got some weird ass shit going on with it. Let's check its range map really quick. Opening up QGIS. If it ever decides to... Is it opening? No, it's not opening. Okay. QGIS, there we go. Okay. Boom, boom, there we go. Project, open recent, editing turtle shape files. So now, let's... Project, import, export, save to, oh god, import, what am I doing? Layer, data source manager, we go into the G drive, where's my F drive? No, it's my G drive, for Google. No. Wait, no. It isn't. It is just here. Okay, here we go. Turtle shape files. Oh, finally getting a little bit of this done though. That's what I was hoping for. Okay. No, not that one. I need to open up. Turtles validate rep, I think. Layer is not valid. Oh, these are text layers. What the fuck am I doing? Shapefile, edits. Nope. Here we go. That's what I wanted. Finally. And then, open. Okay, filter, binomial, equals, trionics, triunguous, test. I don't think that's going to work. I need to add a single quotation mark. In which binomial? No, I need to do it as where layer. That's right. Layer. There also is the chance that this is named differently. You have a different separator. Try. Oh, it's with a Y. Ah, here we go. Okay. And let's show it. Zoom to layer. Okay. Why is this one showing up? I have a feeling that this OpenStreetMap is not working. I have a feeling that neither of my things is working, but also this doesn't make sense. Hold on. Wait, I got all my Keysternans. So why is Trionics staying in my Western Hemi Phylo tree? So tip, num, it's in Phylo raw. It's within this one. This is weird. Well, I'm just gonna, for now, I'm just gonna drop tip from, because I'm just not sure what's going on here. That's the thing I really do need to check out later, though. And the tips are Trionics. What is this? Triunguis. I'm not sure why these Trichemis are getting excluded from the search as well. Oh, you know what? What am I doing? I'm just going to do this on the CSV file. Make this my life so much fucking easier. Don't know why I'm doing it the way I'm doing this. Okay. Sort A to Z. Expand. Wait. Oh, no. They are not on the CSV. Well, yes, they are. The fuck? ¿Qué pasó? Also, I don't know why you're the fuck showing up in 21, but hey, I'm not here to judge, okay? Load states. Rasp. Fucking A. Continue. File. Load states. You gotta be shitting my dick. Come on now. You serious? Okay. So it does need the ID. Odd. 165. So there are extra ones here. Why are there extra ones in the tree that are not found? Okay, well let's add these again. There's some weird filtering that's not occurring properly, and I'm not sure why. Yes. So, you are on here. Yes, there's less taxa on the tree. That does make sense. But that shouldn't be a problem. Like, because also Trichemis key is on the fucking thing, right? Trichemis Yaki. So it should be right here, 164. Oh, I can just remove selected groups. I don't know, it might be fucking up a lot though. It is looking for the taxon name. I'm just gonna run a trim over everything just to eliminate that variable. Sometimes that fucks up things, but I don't see how that could be in this case. Yeah, this is very weird. Unless it's occurring on the what am I doing? Unless it's occurring on here. But, okay, let's also look at, okay, so Kinosternin scorpoides on RASP. ABC, no DE. ABCFGHI, ABCFGHI, Trichemistor bungi. So there's just a few on here that are just not showing up, and so I guess the best course of action is just to look them up. I am looking that I need to clean up the data set just a little bit more. So Yaki, yeah, BCDE, Terrapin, B, Steigneri, B, Vinsuta, BCDF, Taylori, D. I mean, it doesn't look like it's dropping any from anyone, but yeah, I do need to figure out what's going on too, because the Darwin's tortoises should be clustering on their own, but they're not. And so I don't know what's going on. There's some weird things that are not clicking. Okay, wait, check status. Please check the status. Well, what is the status? Oh, it's just checking it. Okay. SDC needs 2 binary trees. So they're saying DEC, SDC, and biogeobears may take extremely long. Warning, too few trees for SDiva. Let's just see if we can run anything. Comparison, reconstruction, model test on tree. Let's do... Okay, so these are my range constraints. So this is basically saying that... Okay. So basically the range constraints are that it can hop from... Oh god. Let's just say there are no range constraints for right now. For right now. I don't know if that was the right choice. Okay, it's running pretty fast. I know SDiva is a pretty quick software. Oh god. I think I farted. That fucking smells, dude. Oh, okay, so did it run? It looks like it did. Tool. Load result. Did it? Oh, look at that! Fucking ran. Ay. 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 Okay, yeah, there's some fucking weird shit going on though with this Trionyx that shouldn't be there. Huh. Sternotheris was only found in BDE. Is that what it looks like? Oh, okay. And I would also make this a little bit more filtered. I'd probably do something where it's like 90% of their range is within a single region. That's something else I want to add on. But is 100% within E. Right. Maybe if I made those white. Okay, yeah. So Sternotherus is all within E, basically. Which E is region number 26, which is, oh yeah, the US. Okay, that's number 26. Wow. So all these are within 10, right? Blue A is 10, right? A is 10, yeah. So they're saying they're all coming from this region. Like, that's really surprising to me. Oh, this is really surprising. What? It's in BC. For Rhinoclemus and Moremus. It's all within B, which is 21, and C, which is 24. So 21 and 24. Oh, okay, so this area. So Central American, which is also where I'd expect a lot of the Lukes to be. Kinos, ugh. But all just within Central America. Okay. Well, fucking sick, dude. Okay, well, this is what I wanted to get done today. At least just a test. Okay. Now people are telling me to look up papers for Greenver et al. Cats. I think it's a 2022 or here we go. 2021, of course. Increase, do not decline. Expansion of high intensity. Hmm. 7% reduction over a 12-year period. Just trying to get there. Let's just see their figures. Let's skip down to there really quick. Annual trend. I mean, it's like they had more cats. They had more cats at the end of the study. If they looked at, I don't know, cats and neutered. Okay, cats overall, it's roughly equivalent. Given the amount of effort, maintaining 70%. These graphs are terrible. What are you trying to show with the trend? Time and then trend. Like, what is trend? What the fuck it means? If the trend is always positive, but because I'm assuming that's what it means. Like it's trending. Carcass reports. Let's see. Pre-intervention, mixed intervention, full intervention, applying TNR in the entire city. How much? Like the carcasses are, you found fewer carcasses. Reproduction didn't really change. Okay, so what are they saying in their results then? Okay, well, that's how they did it. Somebody just sent me a paper about showing how TNR works, and it just doesn't work. So they did it for 9 years, right? And they said they modeled some number of like high intensity TNR for a prolonged period can result in 7% decrease per year of a population size. But here's the thing, their study over 9 years with multiple phases of intensity, mind you, it started out with a record of 3,200 cats. At the end, they had 3,100 cats, and they invested $1 million into it. And I'm like, so you successfully lowered the population for $10,000 per cat, and you have 3,000. I hope you got 30 million fucking. It's like, God, dude. And it's just like they're talking about how culling, like they were trying to compare it, but they didn't do any culling.
Yike.
They just said like it's useful in conservation strategies where people don't want to cull, and I'm like, but you're saying like they're saying it improves animal welfare, and I'm like, it does not. It fucking does not improve animal welfare. Oh, I'm still alive. Am I? Yeah. No, I ended it.
I was like, what the fuck?
Am I just like? Am I? But I'm telling you about it right now. Oh no, I am still streaming on YouTube. I'm gonna stop streaming because I need to take a little break.